Are you currently having problems with Cash App giving you this failed from my protection error on your iPhone and you want to be able to fix it? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you. So there is actually a couple of steps that you need to be able to do to be able to make sure that you will be able to fix that error. So the first step is going to be very easy. You need to firstly close your Cash App and then go into the App Store and then just search for Cash App in your App Store and click on the app itself and see if there is a blue button in there where it says update basically, because if it does say update, you will need to update it to the latest version, and that might also fix a lot of bugs, just so you know. But quite often this does not 100% fix the issue, just so you know. You will need to also verify your account. So if you haven't yet verified your account on Cash App, make sure to actually do so as well, because if your account is not verified, you might have a lot of restrictions on your account, and that's why you get that specific error right now. So when you have actually finished your verification, then try again, and hopefully that will be able to actually fix this problem for you. And if it's still not working, you can always go into Cash App and then contact their support. So contact Cash App support and then just explain to them that you have this problem right now and you don't know what is wrong. You have done everything correct, but still you're getting that fail from my protection error. And hopefully they will be able to fix that as well. So contact their support. That is going to be the last step if not nothing else works basically.